3 joint police military operations are underway in St. Catharines South as lawmen are questioning persons thought to be in breach of the Disaster Risk Management Act. The operations come as police say hundreds turned up at beaches and rivers despite police warnings and instructions for persons to go home.
Flagrant disregard of the 3 p.m. curfew imposed as part of COVID-19 restriction measures. This queue contains persons leaving the Hellshire Beach in Portmore.
So this is all who say them bad and I go at Hellshire. This is what going on. You see that? This is all the traffic from Hellshire and everybody going into that truck.
That truck.
And that truck. So look, people are lined up and are going in that truck. All who can hear.
Police and soldiers here in Hellshire are checking every vehicle on the road since 3 this afternoon. There were 3 such operations in St. Catherine, Hellshire in Portmore, Caymanas River and Old Harbour Bay. In Hellshire, our news team observed scores of vehicles bumper-to-bumper traffic for several hours. We were told over 20 persons were ticketed and several others taken to the Greater Portmore Police Station for questioning after giving false information to officers. Police say they went to the beaches and river around midday today, warning persons to go home, but they say they were largely ignored. The curfew for the Heroes Weekend runs from 3 p.m. to 8 a.m. until Tuesday. Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.
And head of the Police Corporate Communications Unit, Senior Superintendent Stephanie Lindsay, says the joint operation is still ongoing.
And this operation started sometime after 3 o'clock because they got information that a number of persons were at the beaches and the river. So as a result, they went there and they saw a number of persons. So some persons were cited for breaches of the Disaster Risk Management Act and are being processed right now. The operation is still ongoing, so I've not gotten a summary of the results of the operation, but we do know that some persons were ticketed, some persons were warned for prosecution, and some persons were arrested.